As far as Doge support floor, it truly is presently $0.056 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost investigation explicitly is negative today, which sort of is very huge. Dogecoin really has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Doge falls 17.63% in 7 days, which generally is very critical. 21 August 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly certainly clarified some things, facts, what in every way that really matters, is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, especially is Doge in every way that really matters. Why is interest in an essentially huge manner, Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth. Or so they for the most part thought. Yet, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Doge specialized investigation, generally let us essentially discuss the very current economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,047,585,515,720, which especially is very huge. The sort of complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $28,364,522,647, showing how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us discuss the all things considered current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is genuinely critical, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24%. Which especially is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.53%, coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period, which by and large is genuinely huge. XRP, the local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere around 4.6 and at present exchanging at 51 cents, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it is currently $0.056, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they basically thought. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market really is going in a very descending bearing for commonly present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. As of now, an exceptionally broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which most certainly is very huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become substantially more kind of dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors basically move exceptionally dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, further appearance. How support especially is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become commonly more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is genuinely huge. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, basically is at $0.062, down 3.34% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 17.63% throughout the week, which generally is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC is $272,882,272.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $8,670,555,325 United States dollars, showing that following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge certainly is at $0.062, down 3.34% in every way that really matters. Recent hours and generally has a value change of 17.63% throughout the week in a quite huge manner. There really are practically 140,682,556,384 generally are available for use out of 140,682,556,384. Which explicitly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.53%, coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost investigation for 21 August 2023, insight and especially everyday time period, sort of made sense of underneath, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it fundamentally is currently $0.056, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving essentially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Dogecoin in a very significant manner especially. While Doge's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange in every way that really matters, signal generally is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, genuinely further appearance. How 21 August 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time. Certainly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What especially is most certainly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Truly is Doge a by and large wise speculation, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense, day-to-day graph in a sort of enormous manner especially. The essentially relative strength list. RSI demonstrates that the Dogecoin sort of is an oversold stage, as RSI fundamentally is at 24, or so they certainly thought. The prompt opposition level at Doge costs in a real sense is at the mental characteristic of $0.062, which in a real sense is very huge. Assuming everything goes well, the coin could really attempt to generally break above $0.064 mark, exhibiting that the especially relative strength file. RSI demonstrates that the Dogecoin sort of is an oversold stage, as RSI all things considered is at 24.